we'll be moving on to the carrot here in a second. The thing about this carrot is I used some sugar, coarse sugar here to do this part of the carrot, which unfortunately I didn't have the orange. So I'm going to be doing that part with fondant, but I'll be piping this. But I do want to show you kind of how I did that. And I have nonpareils here, purple. So what I thought I'd just show you on this egg, basically I just take this royal that was the flooding royal, and I just want to put a bunch on here and not go all the way out to the edge. Something like that. And then all you do is you take this and you go upside down and you pick up the nonpareils. Most of the time I'll use a sanding sugar, but that is the same technique as this, only these are nonpareils, which are the little balls. This is sanding sugar. What we're going to do on this one is we are going to take the orange fondant, roll it out, use the same cutter that we made the cookie with, and pop it on. So knead that up a little bit. Roll that out. Cut it. I don't need the top part of the carrot, just the bottom part. Cut that off. Pick this up, a little bit of water behind it. And place that right on top. Okay, then I'll use the veining tool and I'll just make some little lines here and there. And then for the top, this is the green that I used earlier for the on the egg house. So on this, I'm going to squeeze. Oh, make sure that it's not dried. Squeeze, and I'm just going to do a zigzag back and forth. So when I get up here towards this top part, I need to go a little slower and squeeze a little bit more at that top so I can fill in that area, since there's more area at the top than there is at the base where I started. And voila, there's our carrot. Okay, now as far as coming back to the rabbit, this right here is pink royal icing that is thinned down a little bit, not quite as much as this. No tip, I'm just going to cut a little bit off here. Let me squeeze some just over here so I can get it going. And what I want to do is give them a nose, squeeze, stop squeezing, move off to the side, and then the ear here, squeeze. Just like that inside there for the ear. Now for the collar here, we can take the green, squeeze, and bring it down and back up. Take a little sugar flower, which, let's see which ones I have. These are a little bit bigger, but I think that would be okay. I don't really want to use white. So what I can do is just kind of squeeze and let a little leaf kind of come out. Squeeze, let it build up, and just kind of pull out for a little leaf, like so. Take the white and do a nice big pushy tail. And this could set a little bit longer because it is sinking a little bit. So, you know, at least like a half hour. And then back over here for the little leg. The cookie, we're just going to sit here, so put a little royal underneath that, like he's holding the carrot. For the eye, we're going to take the white and just squeeze. Let it build up, stop squeezing. Okay, like that. All right, I'm back with my black royal icing, and I am just going to snip a tiny bit of the tip off, and I am just going to squeeze for a little eyeball, and then squeeze a little bit, and then stop squeezing, but then curve for an eyebrow. And then for the mouth, you want to start about here, squeeze, curve it up, and then give a little bit of a U right there. And then for the little toes, just squeeze and curve, squeeze and curve. And there we go. There's our little bunny rabbit. Oops. there we go. Okay, so this is the whole collection here. Get rid of this one. You can see this one's old, so now the color has changed. But we have quite a cute little collection of different kinds of Easter cookies for you. I hope you all enjoy it and have a happy Easter.